morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your workbook. English workbook volume 2. All of you open your English workbook volume 2. Okay? Fill in the blanks with blanks to complete the sentences. Allies village is located at the edge of a dash. Allies village is near to the forest, no? Right, first one. Forest. Alice and Bunny lost their way and ended up in front of a huge cast. Okay? Whenever they found that they lost their way, they were ended up. They are in front of the cattle. Alice entered the room and found a dash on the table. What she found on the table? She found a bottle. A bottle, no? A bottle is on the table. What is there on the bottle? Drink me. The words of drink me are there, no? Yes. Next. Bunny sat near Alice. And after she fell down on the floor, when Alice fell down on the floor, Bunny helplessly sat near Alice. Helplessly. Alice woke up suddenly and started growing dash and dash. Alice woke up suddenly and started growing taller and taller. Madam, taller and taller. Taller and taller. In the end, Alice realized that it was all a dash. Alice realized that was a dream. Madam, dream. Bunny rabbit in Alice's dream was actually her dash rabbit. In her dream, she felt that is a toy rabbit. Completed answers. First one forest, second one catching, third one bottle, fourth one helplessly, fifth one taller and taller, sixth one dream, seventh one tie. Completed answers, Nana. Next, say true or false. Alice lived in a big city. Is she living in a big city? No. False. First one is false. Alice and Bunny love to sing and dance together. No, they not love to sing and dance together. They like to sing only, not dance. So that is false. Alice and Bunny returned home after their walk. Alice and Bunny returned home after their walk. They returned home. No. They did not return home. They forgot their way, no? False. Bunny made Alice drink the magic potion in the bottle. Bunny asked the Alice to drink water. Bunny asked, Bunny is the reason to drink water. No, false. Alice became taller and taller after drinking from the bottle. A snow in the drain? True. Seeing Alice's huge size, Bunny hit her with stick. Amma, whenever Alice was growing taller and taller, Alice చాలా పెద్దగా అయిపోతున్నప్పుడు బన్నీ స్టిక్ పట్టుకుంటాడా? No. False. Alice was very happy that she had turned into a giant. Whenever she turned into a giant, Alice was happy. No, false. Alice laughed out loudly at her wide, wonderful dream. Yes, she laughed about her dream. True. Complete your answers. Rubbing. Next, answer the following questions. What did Alice live? Read on. Alice lived. Alice lived in a small village. Alice lived in a small village. The village was located. The village was located at the village was located at the edge of a forest. Edge of a forest. Alice lived in a small village. The village was located at the edge of a forest. Next, second question. What do Alice and Bunny love doing together? They love to play and spend most of their time together. Alice and Bunny. Alice and Bunny love to play and spend most of her time together. Most of her time together. Alice and Bunny love to play and spend most of her time together. Okay? Complete your answer. Next, third answer. What happened to Alice inside the cattle? Alice drank a magic potion. In the bottle. And suddenly fell down. On the ground. Suddenly fell down on the ground inside the cattle. Inside the cattle. Alice drank a magic potion in the bottle and suddenly fell down on the ground inside the kettle. Completed answer. What did the bunny do after Alice woke up in the kettle? Alice woke up. Alice woke up in the kettle and growing bigger and bigger and growing taller and taller, growing taller and taller. Bunny was scared. Bunny was scared. Feared. Scared means feared. Bunny was scared and ran for his life by seeing her huge size. By seeing her huge size. By seeing her huge size. Alice woke up in the kettle and growing taller and taller. Bunny was scared and ran for his life by seeing her huge size. What would you have done with the drink me bottle if you were in Alice's place? Ma, if you were in Alice's place, Alice ఏం చేసింది? Drink me అనే బాటిల్ చూడగానే she drank that water. She drank that magic potion. What do you do? Next. Will you drink that magical potion? Drink me and a body చూడగానే డ్రింక్ చేసిస్తావా? Do you drink? No. If I go in Alice's place, I would drink. నేను Alice's place లో ఉంటే అలా చెయ్యను. మీరు చేస్తారా అలాగా? Will you drink? I think so. You also don't drink. If I were in Alice's place, I would not drink the magic potion. I would not drink the magic potion in the drink me bottle. In the drink me bottle. If I were in Alice's place, I would not drink the magic potion in the drink me bottle. Okay, I would not drink. Complete answer. Next, sixth one. What did Alice do after she realized that the whole incident was a dream? She laughed, no? Then the dream and tells again is in the she laughed. Alice laughed. Laughed out loudly. Laughed out loudly at her wonderful wonderland. What wonderland dream. After she realized that the whole incident was a dream. Whenever she realized that was a dream, she burst out laughter. గట్టిగా నవ్వేసింది. Alice laughed out loudly at her wild wonderland dream after she realized that the whole incident was a dream. Okay? I'm going to take next page. Here is a small story for you. Here is a small story. Reading comprehension skills. Read the following passage and answer the corresponding questions. Reddy Fox wanted to catch Peter Rabbit. Reddy Fox. Fox name is Reddy. Reddy Fox and the rabbit name is Peter. Peter Rabbit. Fox name is Reddy and the rabbit name is Peter. Fortunately, Reddy Fox wanted to catch. Fox is trying to catch the rabbit. It is chasing. Rabbit ni catch chestinalani try chestundi. It is chasing. Fox is chasing the rat. Sorry. Fox is chasing the rabbit. Okay. Rabbit ni chase cheyadaniki vachindi. Fortunately, Peter Rabbit hid in a hole near the swimming pool. Near the swimming pool. Swimming pool దగ్గరలో ఏముంది? She saw a hole. And she hid in the hole. Swimming pool దగ్గరలో ఉన్న హోల్లోకి వెళ్ళి దాక్కుంది. Okay? Reddy Fox wanted to get into the hole. There is a small hole, no? The fox also want to enter into the hole. Rabbit is a hole elli daakkundo ade hole ki fox kuda elladam try chesindi. Peter was lucky. But Peter was lucky. Enduku Peter lucky? The fox unable to enter into the hole. Peter rabbit elli hole lo daakkundi kadra. Hide అయింది కదా, అదే హైడ్ ఇన్ ప్లేస్ ఆ హోల్లోకి ఫాక్స్ కూడా వెళ్దామనుకుంది. బట్ పీటర్ వాజ్ లక్కీ బికాస్ ఫర్ సమ్వన్ హూ హ్యాడ్ వన్స్ బీన్ dig that hole, rabbit హోల్ చేయలేదు దీన్ని. సమ్వన్ ఎవరో హోల్ చేశారు దాన్ని. సమ్వన్ హూ dig that hole, ఎవరైతే హోల్ చేశారో, మోర్ ఎవర్ దే హ్యాడ్ బీన్ వైజ్ ఎనఫ్ టు మేక్ ద ఎంట్రన్స్ between the roots of the tree in such way that it could not be dug any further. Amma, it was made near to the roots. A hole roots దగ్గర చిన్న హోల్ చేశారు. Near to the hole roots. Amma, roots are very hard no. They made a hole near to the roots. They made a small entrance. చిన్న హోల్ చేశారు. We can't make it larger because they are near to the roots. రూట్స్ హార్డ్గా ఉంటాయి కదా రూట్స్, ఆ రూట్స్ దగ్గరగా హోల్ చేశారు కాబట్టి మనం ఆ హోల్ని ఇంకా ఎన్లార్జ్ చేయలేము. ఇట్ వాస్ సో స్మాల్ హోల్ దట్ ఈస్ ఎనఫ్ టు ద ర్యాబిట్, నాట్ ఫర్ ద ఫాక్స్. ఆ చిన్న హోల్స్ ఒక ర్యాబిట్ మాత్రమే పడుతుంది, ఫాక్స్ పట్టదు. ఇంకా దాన్ని ఇంకా మనం ఎన్లార్జ్ కూడా చేయలేము, అంటే హోల్ పెద్ద కూడా చేయలేము. ఎందుకు? నియర్ టు ద రూట్స్, అవి అన్ని రూట్స్ మధ్యలో ఉన్నది. ఓకే, రూట్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, రూట్స్ మధ్యలో ఉంది కాబట్టి దాన్ని ఇంకా ఎన్లార్జ్ కూడా చేయలేము మనం. రెడీ ఫాక్స్ వాస్ టూ స్ట్రీడ్ టు వేస్ట్ ఎనీ టైమ్ ట్రైయింగ్ టు డిగ్ ఇట్ ఫర్దర్. He knew that there was not enough room for him to get between those roots. Hence he fled the Peter and there for a long time until he was quite sure that he was safe. Slowly he crept out and hurried out, lippity lip up to the old orchard. He felt that the orchard would be the safest place for him because there were many hiding places along the edge of the old stone wall. Actually, it is very small hole that is enough for the only rabbit. చాలా చిన్న ఎంట్రన్స్ అది, స్మాల్ ఎంట్రన్స్ that is enough to only the rabbit. And the fox also not wish to enlarge the entrance. ఆ చిన్న హోల్ని దాన్ని కూడా పెద్దగా చేయడం ఇష్టం లేదు, బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ద రూట్స్. మరి రూట్స్లో ఎంత పెద్ద హోల్ ఉంటుందిరా? రూట్స్ మన ఎర్త్ లోపల ఉంటాయి, అంటే మన భూమి లోపల ఉంటాయి. ఎర్త్ అక్కడ రూట్స్ మధ్యలో మనం ఎంత హోల్ చేయొచ్చు? అమ్మ, ఇప్పుడు రూట్స్ కింద ఉంటాయి, రూట్స్ పైన మళ్ళీ ఏమొస్తుంది? స్టెమ్ వస్తుంటుంది. These are the roots, Nana. These are the roots. Then you can see the stem. Ikkade idemo earth. This is the earth. This is a land. Land lopala roots untayi. Ee roots madhyalo undu chinnada. It is enough for only the rabbit. The fox can fit here. Okay na? Inga konచెం పెద్ద హోల్ చేయొచ్చు నా దీన్ని. Can't because they are the roots. Many roots ఉన్నాయి కదా, and here is the stem. So the fox also not tried to make the hole into bigger. Fox కూడా ట్రై చేయలేదు, the hole ఇంకా పెద్దగా చేయడానికి ట్రై చేయలేదు, because that is not enough for him. The hole in the roots is not enough for the fox. అది ఫాక్స్ సరిపోయేంత పెద్దగా ఉండదు కాబట్టి went away. The fox went away, and the rabbit was in the hole now. The rabbit felt this is not the secure place. It is not the secure place to him. ఇది కూడా అంత సేఫ్ ప్లేస్ కాదు దీనికి. Rabbit felt that it is not my safe place, so better go to the orchard. Better go to the orchard. Orchard అంటే అన్ని fruits trees may grow there. ఓకే, అన్ని పండ్ల చెట్లు ఉండేదాన్ని ఆర్చార్డ్ అంటారు. ఓకే, బెటర్ టు గో టు ద ఆర్చార్డ్ by singing a song. It is hurried up. Rabbit also not satisfied here because it is not a safe place to him. Rabbit could have the safe place కాదని. That's what he is hurried up to go to the orchard. Orchard is a place where the fruits may grow. Fruits may grow. ఆ ప్లేస్కి వెళ్దాం అనుకున్నాను. He hurried up and why it is a orchard is a safe place. Orchard is a safe place తెలుసా మీకు? He felt that the orchard would be safest place for him because there were many hiding places. ఎందుకు ఆర్చర్డ్ దానికి సేఫ్ ప్లేస్? బికాస్ సో మెనీ హైడింగ్ ప్లేసెస్ ఆర్ దేర్. అక్కడ ఎక్కడంటే అక్కడ దాక్కోవచ్చు, దానికి చాలా హైడింగ్ ప్లేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ ద ఎడ్జెస్ ఆఫ్ ద ఓల్డ్ స్టోన్స్ వాల్స్, ద ఎడ్జెస్ ఆఫ్ ఓల్డ్ stone walls, some of the stone walls are there. ఈ స్టోన్ వాల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, చాలా హైడింగ్ ప్లేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి. కాబట్టి she wants to go to the orchard to secure herself. Okay, by singing a song it is going. What is the song? Lippatti lippatti lip lip lip. He is going to the orchard place by singing a song. Lippatti lippatti lip lip lip. into orchard ke liye daapun. Okay, name the two main characters in the story. First question, name the two characters in the story. What are the two characters? Reddy Fox and Peter Rabbit. Read out first one. Reddy Fox and Peter Rabbit. Peter Rabbit. What did Fox want to do? What did Fox want to do? Reddy Fox wanted to catch the Peter Rabbit. Reddy Fox wanted to catch Peter Rabbit. Okay, Amma, today's class is completed. Remaining bits tomorrow. I'll give tomorrow remaining bits.